In the quiet hush of a new day, as mist danced over still water, a life began. One by one, her sisters emerged small sunbeams of yellow fluff. But when her own shell finally gave way, she was different. A shade of grey. A little larger. A touch more awkward. From her very first breath, she was set apart. She tried to fit in, to waddle in the same graceful line as her sisters, but her feet always seemed to stumble. Whispers followed her like a shadow. The other ducks turned their heads, their quiet judgments rippling across the pond. Even her mother's gaze held the faintest flicker of uncertainty. Too grey. Too awkward. Too strange. When she tried to join their games, the water would ripple as they drifted away, leaving her alone in a vast and empty space. The world, it seemed, had no room for her. And so, she left. The vibrant greens of summer faded into the rustic golds of autumn, and then bled into the stark, silent white of winter. She wandered frozen fields, a solitary figure against an endless canvas of snow. The wind bit at her feathers. The cold seeped into her bones. Rejected, mocked, driven away. She faced the long, brutal winter utterly alone. But through it all, she endured. She survived. And then, slowly, a change began. Winter loosened its iron grip. Golden sunlight broke through the clouds, coaxing the world back to life. The ice cracked. The lake began to breathe again. Along the shore, flowers burst into color. Drawn to the water's edge, she approached a calm, mirror-like lake. For the first time, she dared to look. And staring back at her was not an ugly duckling, but a creature of breathtaking grace. An elegant, beautiful swan. In that moment, she understood. She was never a duck. She was always a swan, just waiting to become. She glided onto the water, her long neck arched, her wings catching the light of the setting sun. She was not lost. She was not wrong. She was home. Remember, those who mock you for being different have simply never seen what you are becoming. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. If this story resonated with you, consider subscribing for new stories every week.